Today, we're looking at a spiritual key for when you're feeling, hopelessly stuck. Have you ever been in a spot where there's just no clear way out? Well, there's a practice for that. So, the idea is to recite a specific chapter from the Quran, which is called a surah. And this practice is all about Surah Al-Hamd, or Al-Fatihah, which actually means the opening. Okay, so the method is pretty straightforward. You recite the surah and dedicate it to a revered figure. And a couple of names that pop up a lot are Allama Majlisi and his father. But does it work? The source has some pretty wild stories. The results were surprising.
So get this. One person was stuck in a massive traffic jam, like not moving at all.
And after they did the recitation, boom, the traffic just cleared up in minutes. Okay, here's another one. Someone struggling with this deep laziness that had lasted for years. They recited the surah, and in just a few days, that laziness was completely gone. Then there's the story of a parent worried about their daughter's marriage. So they tried this for her. And what do you know? A really great proposal came through, totally out of the blue. Okay, but does the specific name really matter? There's a great story that tests this whole idea. So someone was in a tough spot, and they completely forgot Allama Majlisi's name. So they just picked another respected figure they could remember and dedicated it to them instead. And guess what? It still worked, which tells us there's something deeper going on here. It seems the real blessing is in the surah itself, not just who you dedicate it to. So if it's not the name, what's the secret ingredient here? What makes this work? Right? It's not just about saying the words, it's about faith, certainty, and real sincerity. The source really hammers this point home. When you do it with true faith, the results are huge. I mean, the source says you'll see strange and wonderful results. Pretty incredible, right? So that leaves us with a question. Where could sincere intention make a real difference for you?